Hi, and welcome to Engineering Essentials AutoCAD Instruction. In this episode, I will be showing you how to dimension a feature using a leader line in Note. Leaders are created using the multi-leader command in AutoCAD. Multi-leaders may be annotative, but they're not associative. Commands related to the multi-leader are located in the Annotation panel in the Home tab. So if we go to the Home tab, Annotation panel, that's where they are. Or they're located in the Annotate tab under the Leader panel. All right, so let's go ahead and dimension this 5x5 chamfer here using a multi-leader. So we pick where it wants to start, pull it out, and put our text. So 5x5. All right, so notice that it's just a line, or at least it looks like it's just a line. There really is an arrowhead down here and text up here, but it's really, really small. So what we need to do is get into the Multileader Styles Manager and change that. All right, so before we change the values of the parameters, let's look at what a leader line should look like. Well, first it should have an arrowhead pointing to the feature that you're dimensioning. Then we have the leader, followed by a landing. There's a landing gap between the text and the landing, and then the text itself. So we need to change the features to be a little bigger. So we're going to create a new style, make it annotative, and we'll call it ASME. All right, so let's go to the Leader Format tab. Under this tab, we can adjust the size of our arrowhead. So let's make that 3 millimeters. Under the leader structure, we can adjust the landing settings. So we want the landing to be a little bigger. We want that to be 3 millimeters. And then under the content, we can choose how we want our text to be attached. So where does the landing go in relation to our text? If you only have one line, middle of top line is fine. If you have multiple lines, maybe you want to attach it somewhere different. All right, so there we go. We'll say OK and close. Now, we can't update leaders like we can update other dimensions. So we're going to erase it and redraw it. All right, so we have our arrowhead, we have our landing, we have our text, but our text is too close, so we need to go back in and try to figure out why. So we'll go back into the Styles Manager, we'll modify the ASME style, and I forgot to change the landing gap. So we're going to change that to 3 as well. Go OK, close, and there you go. All right, so that's how you dimension using the leader line. Have fun and explore. See you in the next episode.